Before everything, please connect your smart device to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Download the LampUX app and register a new account. First, turn on the light using a wall switch, not the app. Wait a few seconds for the light to blink rapidly, twice a second. If it's not blinking, or just blinking slowly, press the light switch 3 times and wait for 3 seconds until the light flashes. Pairing only works when the light is blinking rapidly. Second, click Add Device. Confirm light blinks rapidly. Then input your Wi-Fi password. Only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network is supported right now. The light bulb will show on the first page after setting up. In order to connect to Alexa, Google Assistant, or IFTTT, click Me, More Services for more information. Search the Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT skills directory for Smart Life, and make sure to input the LampUX register username and password on the linking page.